5 Microsoft 365 vs Google Workspace tips for small business 2026. Which suite is best? When choosing between Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, cost is a significant factor. Microsoft 365 offers various plans, with the basic plan starting at around £5 per user per month. Google Workspace, on the other hand, starts at around £4.20 per user per month. Consider the number of users and the features you need. Microsoft 365 offers more advanced features, but at a higher cost. Google Workspace is more affordable, but with limited features. Small businesses should weigh their options carefully. Ultimately, the choice depends on your business needs and budget. Consider a free IT health check to determine the best option. Microsoft Office is a popular choice among businesses, offering advanced features and compatibility with various file formats. Google Docs, on the other hand, is a cloud-based alternative that offers real-time collaboration and automatic saving. Consider the types of documents you create and edit. If you need advanced features, Microsoft Office may be the better choice. However, if you prioritize collaboration and simplicity, Google Docs is a great option. Small businesses should consider their specific needs and choose the best tool. Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace both offer excellent document editing capabilities. The key is to choose the one that fits your workflow. Document management is crucial for business productivity. Security and compliance are critical considerations for small businesses. Microsoft 365 offers advanced security features, including data encryption and two-factor authentication. Google Workspace also provides robust security features, including phishing protection and spam filtering. Consider the types of data you handle and the regulatory requirements you must meet. Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace both offer excellent security and compliance features. However, Microsoft 365 may be more suitable for businesses that handle sensitive data. Small businesses should prioritize security and choose the best option. A free IT health check can help you determine the best security measures. Integration and compatibility are essential for small businesses. Microsoft 365 integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products, such as Outlook and OneDrive. Google Workspace, on the other hand, integrates with Google Drive and Google Calendar. Consider the tools and software you already use. If you're already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, Microsoft 365 may be the better choice. However, if you use Google products, Google Workspace is a great option. Small businesses should consider their existing infrastructure and choose the best fit. Compatibility is crucial for a smooth workflow. Choose the suite that integrates with your existing tools. Scalability and support are vital for small businesses. Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace both offer scalable solutions that can grow with your business. Consider the level of support you need. Microsoft 365 offers 24/7 support, while Google Workspace provides online support resources. Small businesses should prioritize scalability and support. Choose the suite that offers the best support for your business needs. A free IT health check can help you determine the best option. Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace both offer excellent scalability and support features. The key is to choose the one that fits your business requirements.